Hey guys, Jackie with Jackie Jean Photography here, and I'm going to share with you some tips on putting together a natural light studio, all under the budget of $50 for little ones. And it's just going to be an easy setup, easy tear down, so just keep watching. Hey guys, all right, so I am done putting together my little makeshift studio here. Kind of hanging out in here, and as you can see here, this is laminate flooring that I have purchased at Home Depot, and it's awesome. Kind of just pieces together beautifully, and it works perfect. And easy setup, easy tear down. Like I said before, this took about 15 minutes, and again, that's really not that long. And I'm about to take a few pictures of one of my kiddos and show you guys the results of it and share the settings as well. And oh yeah, totally forgot the price because I said this was under 50 bucks. The laminate flooring was about 79 cents a square foot, and this was $48 altogether. So, and I still actually have leftover wood if I had a bigger space to work with, but right now this is the space that I have. Really like the window light, and that's why I put it here. So all right, I'll show you some more in just a bit here. All right, look at me.